Scrunchies have made a comeback as the ultimate hair accessory, and making your own is a great fabric scrap buster. Hi, I'm Danielle Amato, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own scrunchies using the border guide foot on the Skyline S7. Start by measuring out a rectangle that is 24 inches long by 4 inches wide. You can keep your fabric folded in half and cut 2 strips at one time. Personalize your scrunchies by adding 9mm decorative stitching before you begin. With 240 stitches, the Skyline S7 has many decorative options to choose from. For this particular scrunchie, I'm going to select number 57 stitch from my menu. Using the border guide foot will ensure that my rows of decorative stitching are evenly spaced. Beginning a 1/2 inch from the edge of the fabric with your decorative stitch selected, lower the presser foot and begin sewing until you reach the end. Once you complete your first row, line up your completed stitching with the red line on the border guide foot and sew your next row. Continue your decorative stitching as desired. Since my fabric is lightweight with some stretch, adding the decorative stitching also gives my scrunchie a nice texture. Fold your strip of fabric right sides together along the 24-inch length. Stitch a 1/4 inch seam allowance, starting 1.5 inches down from the top edge, and stop 1.5 inches from the bottom edge. Be sure to backstitch. Attach a safety pin to one end of the tube and insert the safety pin inside the tube to turn it right sides out. Match the 4-inch edges of the tube right sides together and stitch a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Cut a strip of 1/4 inch elastic that is 7 inches long. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic to feed it through the scrunchie until it comes out on the other side. Overlap the elastic about a 1/2 inch and use a pin to secure the elastic when bringing it under the presser foot, but be sure to remove the pin before sewing. Make sure to backstitch a few times to strengthen the seam on the elastic. Lastly, fold in the opening a 1/4 inch on each side and top stitch to close. Now you can see how easy it is to make your own scrunchies with a decorative twist. Thanks for watching!